What's up? It's Gina with WTI. I am absolutely addicted to getting out on the water with my SUP, but I found that the carrying case that came with it is not the most conducive for long walks. It gets a little cumbersome when I have to put in my air pump, my paddles, my kayak seat attachment, my PFD, my sunblock, my towel, whatever else it is that I need to take with me. I'm so stoked that I have the SUP-Now carrying bag. This is top of the line quality. Number one, the wheels on it are amazing, so I can wheel it everywhere. I've even taken it through gravel and up trails. My SUP is 10 foot 6 inches long, and I love that I can strap it in with the enclosed straps. It fits everything that I already listed, and there's even room to spare. I love that even if I don't want to wheel it, there's a backpack attachment on the back, and that tucks in really easily when I'm done with it. With the bag, my SUP, and all those accessories already listed, it gets quite heavy, about 45 pounds. So having the waist and the chest strap is really helpful when I need to carry it on my back. You can also use this as a send-on on an airplane if you choose to. It's definitely going to hold up to whatever it goes through baggage claim. This is the ultimate accessory when you have a SUP. In fact, I don't think it really should be optional. You definitely need it, and that's my point of view.